Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Just around the corner from Glen Murcutt's Australian Islamic Centre in Melbourne's west, Rosshire is a family home designed with clarity and care. For Newport-based Ali Kaddour Architects, the brief was less about making a statement and more about creating a space that supports the client's lifestyle, one deeply connected to faith, family, and community. The client, who regularly hosts family, friends, and colleagues from all walks of life, needed a flexible home that could comfortably shift between intimate and social, private and public. Entrusting Ali Kaddour Architects and the Builder's Aid projects to collaborate closely, they sought a residence that would serve both everyday living and larger gatherings with ease.